based on quality and value for the money. This product is one of the best rated product in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Introducing the innovative new H2ofloss water flosser. New technology, new design, new experience. A user-friendly on-off switch button. An adjustable water pressure handle. Made from food-grade materials. 2 separate storage compartments, one for storage of tips and the other for water. The sophisticated mechanical device forces a powerful pulsating stream of water over gingival tissue and teeth, with the goal of removing unattached debris. It thoroughly cleans your teeth and massages your gums. A whopping 12 multifunctional flosser tips designed to tackle the needs of your entire family. The H2ofloss proves that you don't need to sacrifice convenience if you want a quieter unit. Your ultimate oral care. The H2ofloss water flosser.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.